Welcome to Historic Hope Plantation, a place where history comes alive. Nestled in Windsor, North Carolina, this breathtaking estate gives us a rare glimpse into early 19th century Southern life, but behind its stunning architecture lies a rich and complex story of wealth, politics, and the lives of the free and enslaved people who built and sustained it. Stick with us as we explore the fascinating history of Hope Plantation. Hope Plantation's story begins in the early 18th century when an 1,100-acre tract of land was granted near the Cashie River. It was named Hope in honor of Hope Parish in England, the ancestral home of Elizabeth Hobson, whose family first settled here. But it was David Stone, a future governor of North Carolina, who truly shaped the plantation's legacy. In 1803, he completed the grand Hope Mansion, turning it into a thriving estate. And what a mansion it is! Hope Mansion is an exquisite blend of Federal and Georgian architectural styles. Its symmetrical facade and grand double-tiered portico are raised on high brick piers and reflect a refined sense of elegance. Inside, you'll find intricate arches, keystone details, and furniture crafted by some of the best artisans of the Roanoke River Basin. David Stone wasn't just a wealthy planter, but a powerful political figure. He was a Princeton graduate, a congressman, a U.S. senator, and even the governor of North Carolina. He played a key role in developing North Carolina's first official map in 1808. But his plantation, like many of the time, relied on the labor of enslaved individuals. Over 130 enslaved workers, skilled in blacksmithing, textile production, and farming, sustained the estate. Their untold stories are an essential part of Hope Plantation's history. By the mid-20th century, time had taken its toll on Hope Plantation. The once grand estate had fallen into disrepair, but thanks to Jack and Margaret Tyler and a dedicated group of preservationists, the Historic Hope Foundation was formed in 1965. Their tireless efforts restored the mansion to its former glory, and in 1972 it reopened as a museum. Today, Historic Hope Plantation isn't just a beautiful landmark, it's a place of learning and reflection. Visitors can tour the mansion, explore the exhibits about the lives of enslaved workers, and even attend events like the annual Christmas open house. Now, whether you're a history buff, an architecture lover, or just someone looking for a unique experience, Hope Plantation has something for everyone. So, what do you think about Hope Plantation? Let us know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating history content. Now, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.